In this short guide, I'll show you how to convert a video into text using Descript. This is perfect if you want a written transcript for captions, blogs, or repurposing content. Start by opening Descript and clicking New Project. Give your project a clear name so it's easy to find later. Then create the project to open your workspace. Next, drag and drop your video file directly into the project window. Descript supports common formats like MP4 and MOV, so most videos will work without any issues. As soon as the upload finishes, Descript automatically begins transcribing the audio into text. Once the transcription is complete, review the text carefully. While Descript is very accurate, it's always a good idea to scan for small errors. You can click directly on any word in the transcript to edit it. For faster cleanup, press C to enter correction mode, which helps you fine-tune the text quickly and precisely. And that's it. Your video is now converted into editable text inside Descript. You can use this transcript for subtitles, articles, summaries, or any other content you need. Thanks for watching and happy transcribing.